Okay, so here we are, still at Tamiami. And we're gonna take a look at this. This is a Cessna, you said? A Cessna 420?
Cessna 421.
421. Oh, this is me here.
Face out, face out.
A couple of other nice airplanes. Look at. And Fabio's gonna check it out.
Okay,
Okay, go ahead.
Head on in.
Can he go in? Yeah,
Yeah,
that's fine.
Okay. Now, if you're the pilot, you sit in the left seat in an airplane. So go ahead and sit in the left seat. Let me grab that headset wire. Matter of fact, just grab the wire.
I already know a lot about
You do?
Yeah, I took him out for his first flight. What was it?
the engines.
No.
No, yeah. So you,
Engine
The throttle.
control. Well, okay.
and so with this,
Right.
you
That.
go
Right.
up,
You know more than most of my students.
yeah, and
Okay.
and you turn like this.
Sometimes they call this the yoke,
Yeah.
The yoke,
and
yeah.
it controls the elevator
Mhm.
and the ailerons. The elevator is in back, makes the airplane go up and down like an elevator.
Yeah.
And you can't, well, you can kind of see it back there. See it's pretty.
And wow, I've never seen a control like this with a computer.
Well, that's an extra computer. Get a little power on here.
Wow.
We're gonna turn that on. And that's a Garmin. Actually a lot of.
Can I try it on?
Sure. Does your dad have a GPS in his car?
No.
Your mom have a GPS in his car?
At the airplane or the car?
In the car.
In the car, yeah.
Oh,
Well,
okay.
no, I mean we use the phone though.
How much these cost? To buy?
Those are noise canceling headsets. That's about $800 for the headset.
Yeah, we're trying because the ones that he's using now they're so heavy that 45 minutes into a flight or whatever he's already tired. I mean, because the things are heavy.
Okay, that's a noise
So,
canceling. You won't be able to hear anything in it because
I could hear myself speaking.
probably yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let me see if I can.
So I'm up for the quest to look for something that is not as expensive as a Bose, which is the Bose that is very light, because they're expensive.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Okay, now go ahead and push press to accept.
Press to accept.
Okay, and press map.
Map.
Okay, that says where we are on the airport. We've got a little picture of us and everything.
Yeah.
So we're right in front of what the heck Premiere is, but
How do you say hi to the
now
camera
this
for a moment
is
here?
what you actually navigate. Press enter. Okay.
Wait. So this is the engine control.
This is the throttle. Makes the engines
Yeah.
more or less power.
Yeah.
These are the propeller controls. Now, this airplane has what's called a constant speed propeller, which is kind of like a transmission in the car. It changes the pitch of the propeller, how much air the propeller takes, the bite of the propeller, like whether it takes a big bite or a little bite of the air. Pretend you have a fan.
Yeah.
Okay, if you take the blade of the fan and turn it so it's just flat, no air is going to move, right? But if you take it and turn it so it's way big, it's going to move a lot of air, but the fan might not go too fast because it's trying to move a lot of air. Same. And this is a mixture. We've got radar. This little box here is called a transponder. That's all it is.
Nice Cessna 421. That would be a very nice airplane to have. And this is Reliance Aviation, where we put our fuel. Every time you fly, we fly. And they do maintenance here. There's a couple of jets. jets lined up here. And what else? And that's the shack where we were just relaxing and taking the nice afternoon breeze.